7 urgent signs your car needs an oil change now. Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll explore the critical warning signs that indicate your car is in desperate need of an oil change, and why ignoring these red alerts can lead to severe consequences for your engine. 1. Illuminated oil change light. One of the most obvious signs that your car needs an oil change is when the oil change light illuminates on your dashboard. This warning light is designed to alert you when the oil level is low or when the oil has become too dirty to function properly. If you see this light, it's essential to schedule an oil change as soon as possible to avoid potential engine damage. 2. Dark and dirty oil. Clean engine oil is typically amber in color and translucent. As it circulates through the engine, it accumulates dirt, debris, and other contaminants, causing it to darken and become more opaque. If you check your oil dipstick and notice that the oil is dark, gritty, or has a burnt smell, it's a clear indication that your oil needs to be changed. 3. Unusual engine noises. If you start to hear unusual noises coming from your engine, such as knocking, ticking, or grinding sounds, it could be a sign that your oil is no longer providing adequate lubrication. These noises occur when metal components rub against each other without proper lubrication, causing friction and potentially leading to severe engine damage. If you hear any unusual engine noises, have your oil checked immediately and change it if necessary. 4. Excessive exhaust smoke. While some exhaust smoke is normal, particularly when starting your car in cold weather, excessive smoke can indicate an oil-related problem. If you notice thick, blue smoke coming from your exhaust pipe, it may be a sign that oil is leaking into the combustion chambers and burning along with the fuel. This not only leads to increased oil consumption but can also cause damage to your engine's components. 5. Declining fuel efficiency. As oil ages and becomes contaminated, it loses its ability to lubricate the engine effectively. This increased friction can lead to a decrease in fuel efficiency, as your engine has to work harder to overcome the resistance. If you notice that you're filling up your gas tank more frequently than usual, it could be a sign that your oil needs to be changed. 6. Overheating engine. Oil plays a crucial role in regulating your engine's temperature by absorbing heat and transferring it away from critical components. When oil becomes dirty or breaks down, it loses its ability to cool the engine effectively, leading to overheating. An overheating engine can cause severe damage, such as warped cylinder heads, cracked engine blocks, and damaged pistons. If your engine is running hotter than normal, have your oil checked and changed if necessary. 7. Burnt oil smell. If you detect a burning oil smell when you open your hood or after driving, it's a warning sign that shouldn't be ignored. This smell can indicate that oil is leaking onto hot engine components, such as the exhaust manifold, and burning off. A burning oil smell can also be a sign of an overheating engine or a malfunctioning oil seal. If you notice this smell, have your car inspected by a professional mechanic as soon as possible. Keeping an eye out for these signs can save you from costly repairs down the road. So, make sure to check your oil regularly and change it when needed. Thank you for watching. If you've found this video helpful and want to support the channel, consider using the Super Thanks button. It's a great way to help me create more content like this.